Hello guys, in this video, I will show you high CPM YouTube cash cow niches. I will show you which niches are with higher profit and higher CPM than others, so follow me to the end to understand the whole lessons of this video. Let's get started. In this video, I will show you 3 different channels that you can use to start a YouTube cash cow channel. And will also show you how much money they may be making. So let's start with a simple channel. As you see in this channel, the person who has it does not show his face. As you can see in this channel, he shows us how to make money online without showing his face. Many people are ashamed to show their face, but they can comment on videos without showing their face and can make money online. As this guy is doing on this channel. This type of channel is one of the highest paid CPM from YouTube, and this can make around $10 to $50 per 1,000 views. Therefore you should start working on YouTube by following my instructions and examples which I suggest. I am not saying that you will make money or that it is safe, but one thing is for sure, that if you work hard and create good videos you will have great success on YouTube. Because YouTube is a platform that pays very well. Channels like this get paid a lot because there are financial ads in their videos. But now we will look at Social Blade. How much is the potential for this to win in months or within a day? As you can see, this channel is getting 386k views per month and is earning about $97 to $1.5k per month, but I think this one can earn even more because the Social Blade shows the average possible profit, not the maximum profit. The other channel we will talk about is elix.com, which has about 3.46 million subscribers. In this channel, they talk about the luxurious life of people. You can search on YouTube and create your own YouTube channel, and by taking examples from other channels you can create your own videos and make money. So if you like my channel, subscribe and comment below in the comments so I will know who is supporting me, and I will try to help by shouting out my videos. Thanks for your time and keep following me in future videos.